Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, straight talk on knee replacement. And after my total knee replacement, I've been having some issues with getting my strength back to be able to do stairs foot over foot, either up or down. So I just wanted to show you what I've been doing to help myself along the way, using a cane for a little bit of a balance and assist, as well as a wall. And what I have is, this is an adjustable step. It is at its lowest height right now, which is 4 inches. And then I can put a riser underneath each side to bring it up to 6 inches, and then 2 risers to bring it to 8 inches. So as I get a little bit stronger, I can increase the height. Now, if you don't have an adjustable step at home, then just find a stair, maybe in your home or coming into the threshold of your house, that you can do these exercises. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing using my cane as an aid, as well as a wall for balance. So I want to approach the stair with it in front of me, and I'm going to take my surgical leg, which is my left foot, and put it up on the stair. I have my cane on the non-surgical side, and then my surgical hand on the wall. I'll shift my body weight into that surgical leg, lifting up the knee of the non-surgical side, and then controlling the descent, coming back down to the floor. And then shift and lift and descend. And it's really important to take your time coming down so that you don't lose control and kind of fall down into the floor. So I'll do about 10 repetitions with the stair with this front approach. Then I'm going to approach from the side. So this will be laterally. So I'll put the cane more in front of my body. I have my feet parallel. I'll take my surgical foot onto the step and then shift into that leg. I can lift the knee or maybe extend the leg out to the side and then control as I come down. Now I'm having a tendency to step back behind myself a little bit because that's a little easier. So I want to be sure that I have it directly parallel, and step and lift, and then right back down to the side. So again, about 10 repetitions on this one, and back down. Now, it's easier to step the non-surgical foot slightly behind than it is out to the side, and then it's even harder yet to step the non-surgical leg forward. And this would imitate how you would go downstairs foot over foot. So as we lift up, we'll take the non-surgical foot and step it forward. You might have to bring your cane slightly in front to assist and step down. And then you're going to bring yourself back. So I'll step back into the surgical leg, lift the non-surgical leg up, step forward and down. Now you can combine these last two. So I can shift my body weight back into the surgical leg, step back behind, bring it up, step directly to the side, bring it up, and then step to the front. So you can combine all 3 of these directions. Definitely I'm feeling pain and discomfort as I step the non-surgical leg forward, as if I'm walking downstairs. So I've been doing just a few of those so that I don't bring a lot of extra swelling and inflammation into that joint. It's really a balance to try to find how much we should do without overdoing it. So listen to your body, you'll know what will be the best for you, or check with your physical therapist. He or she are going to be able to tell you exactly what you need to do for where you're at in your surgery. So if you have any questions, send me a message or let me know what you've been doing to help you with stairs. I would love to hear from you. I appreciate you staying with me on my journey. Stay strong, knee warriors. I'll see you next time. Take care.